Three Jamaicans had their last major warm-up on Thursday at the Stockholm Diamond League in Sweden, 2 weeks before the World Athletics Championships in Eugene, Oregon. There was one podium finish among the three. 2019 World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton was the best-placed Jamaican at Thursday's meet, the 8th stop in this year's Diamond League series. The 29-year-old Clayton improved on the 54.20 second clocking at last weekend's National Championships by posting a season's best 53.90 seconds for the runner-up spot in the women's 400-meter hurdles, to now become the 8th fastest woman in the world this season. Clayton will join Tokyo Olympic finalist and national champion Genevieve Russell and Cheyenne Salmon, the 2018 World Under-20 silver medalist in the one-lap obstacle race as Jamaica's representatives in Oregon next month. Elsewhere, Danielle Williams, who will be seeking a third World Championship medal in Oregon after gold in 2015 and bronze in 2019, logged the season's best, equaling 12.59 seconds for 4th place in the women's sprint hurdles behind Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn of Puerto Rico.
Well, away this time, very good start, second to left from Devon Charlton in the yellow, but now beginning to make a mark is Camacho Quinn easing away, although Toby Amazon is matching her. Toby Amazon is right there, Camacho Quinn just gets it on the dip. She's a lot taller than the little Nigerian.
Williams will join Brittany Anderson, who holds the 6th fastest time this season at 12.45 seconds, and the Tokyo Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tupper as Jamaica's representatives at the World Championships in the 100-meter hurdles. Camacho Quinn recorded 12.46 seconds for the victory over Nigerian Toby Amusan 12.50 and the 2019 world champion Nia Ali of the United States in 12.53 seconds. Meanwhile, national record holder and the 2019 World Championship silver medalist Daniel Thomas Dodd was 5th in the women's shot put with a best effort of 18.77 meters in the 5th round. The event was won by the U.S. outdoor champion Chase Ely with a final round effort of 20.48 meters. The Diamond League Series now takes a break until August 6.